Hey there, today we are going to learn how to create a basic list view application. This is the application that we are going to create today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Launch the Android Studio and start an empty activity. Delete the Hello World text and change the constraint layout to linear layout. Here in the background, I am setting a gradient. If you don't know how to do that, link is in the description below. Now add a list view and set its width and height to match parent. Assign an ID to this list view. Now go to the main activity.java page and define the variable of list view. Also define a string array and store the contents of the list you want to add. Find view by ID is a method that finds the view from the layout resource file that are attached with current activity. R is a class in Android that are having the IDs of all the views. Whenever we have a list of single items which is backed by an array, we can use array adapter. So what is an adapter? An adapter acts like a bridge between a data source and the user interface. It reads data from various data sources, converts it into view objects, and provide it to the linked adapter view to create UI components. Start writing the codes. Declare the parameters. Now connect this adapter to the list view using setAdapter. Now set an on-click listener to this list view. Inside this block, define a string variable and store the item present at the clicked position in it using getItemAtPosition. Here, the variable position is an array of numbers which starts from 0. If the user clicks the 10th item of the list, then 9 will be stored in this variable. Typecast this to string and create a toast. Delete the text and declare the string variable here. Now running the code, hope it works. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload anything new.